This is lab number 16 for Mechatronics, the PCB Design. First, we'll go over the circuit diagram, and then we'll take a look at the PCB. Down here, we have the LEDs. We have the red, the yellow, and the green LED all hooked up to a 220 ohm resistor. And then we have the 3 pins, which would be connected to the Arduino. And then all of that is wired to ground. Also, as part of this, I've also included a circuit so you can attach 3 buttons. Here, this is powered by a 5-volt input pin, and then we have our 3 button switches here, and then we have the 3 pins which you would connect to the Arduino, and then finally 3 110 ohm resistors which are connected back to ground, and then finally we have 1 ground pin here so that we can connect the ground back to the Arduino. So let us hop over to the PCB here, and you can see we have our place for our 3 LEDs, as well as their 3 corresponding resistors, and then the 3 pins which connect to the Arduino. And then over here we have our 5-volt input pin, place for the 3 button switches, and the 3 pins to connect that to the Arduino, and then finally 3 resistors. If we zoom in here, you can see that the end resistors of all of the buttons, as well as the negative side of the LEDs, are wired to the main ground of the entire PCB board, which is also connected to this ground pin, so you can hook that back up to the Arduino and make sure everything runs smoothly there. If we click this here, we can generate a Gerber file, which will give you a better view of what the final PCB design will look like. I've also added these 4 holes here, so should you want it to screw it into something, you'd be able to do that as well.